Well, let's get to your VIX call from last week, Pete. As we wound up on Thursday, our weekly 4-day-a-week Rebel's Edge, you highlighted for us the 129,000 December 33 calls that some trader known as fiddy apparently accumulated very quickly for 87 cents. And then went in, of course, and sold some other calls against it, taking that number to right around 50 cents. But Pete, that has proved once again to be that 50 Cent is somebody you want to pay attention to when he or she is buying upside calls in the VIX.
No doubt about it. We talk about the VIX all the time, and a lot of other people, I've seen more and more people trying to talk about the VIX. And I say that because I'm not sure they understand what the hell it is. But anyway, I look at this thing, John, and it's interesting because it had a pretty big jump this morning. Right out of the gates, everybody was, the market's getting sold off because suddenly we acknowledged the idea that maybe things are inflated a little bit. So we got up and over 20, and we got a little bit north of 20. There it is right there. Call it 2050, something pretty close to that, about a 13% move. Boy, that lasted a really long time, huh? Over 20. I mean, that's the thing that I find so interesting, though, John, is we've had a few spikes like this where we've popped up towards 20, and it hasn't been sustainable. And it looks like this one's not as sustainable as maybe projected right out of the gate when everybody was talking about it. Now, could it get back up there? Absolutely it could. Are there some names out there that are high in terms of the PE ratios that we talk about all the time, the price to earnings? Yeah, they are, but they've been high. They've been high in Q1, Q2, and now Q3. Now, that doesn't mean they're not crushing it, because quite a few of these names out there, even though they might be a little stretched, they're crushing it, John. So I think it's really intriguing that everybody's talking about the VIX today, but it's all the way back down to 18. So I don't know if we're quite as concerned now as we were. And like you were talking about, you look at the Dow, you look at the S&P, you look at the NASDAQ. These moves are not incredibly crazy moves either. I mean, as of right now, the S&P is down less than 1%. It's down about 0.75%. I don't know that that's reason for panic, quite honestly.